Morning. Welcome to the online class of class 12. So today also we will discuss the same chapter, matrices. So already we have discussed about the symmetry, skew symmetric matrix. We have discussed about different types of matrix like row matrix, column matrix, diagonal matrix, square matrix, scalar matrix, identity matrix. So this is a very important type of matrix today we will discuss. Today we will discuss invertible matrix. So today we will discuss a special type of matrix, that is the invertible matrix. So the definition is, if A is a square matrix, if A is a square matrix of order, suppose n, A is a square matrix of order n, and B is a square matrix of same order m, square matrix of same order n, then B is the inverse of A, inverse of A, if and only if AB should be equal to BA should be equal to I. If AB equal to BA equal to I, that means identity matrix. This identity matrix also will be of the same order n, In you can write. Then we say A is the inverse of B, or B is the inverse of A. A is the inverse of B means B is the inverse of A. So we will discuss this one with some example. Suppose we take one example. Suppose example A, 4 3 1 1, and B equal to, suppose we take 1 minus 3 minus 1 4, and if we multiply AB we will multiply NC, 4 3 1 1, 1 minus 3 minus 1 and 4, then 4 ones are 4, 3 minus 1 minus 3 minus 12 plus 12, 1 here minus 1 here minus 3 here 4. So what we get here? Here we get 1 0 0 1, so it is I. So we got I. Now you have to see, we got AB is equal to I. According to the definition, AB should be equal to BA should be equal to I. If A is the inverse of B or B is the inverse of A, this definition should be satisfied. This definition must be satisfied. Now we will find out BA. 1 minus 1 minus 3 4, 4 3 1 1, 4 3 1 1. So 1 into 4 is 4, 4, then 3 into minus 3 into 1 is 3, and here minus is there. So 1 into 3 is 3, minus 3 into 1 is minus 3, minus 4, and 4 into 1 is 4, then minus 3, and here 4. So we got 1 0 0 1, and this is I. So what we got here is that AB is equal to BA is equal to I. So we can write A is the inverse of, that is, we can write A is the inverse of B B is the inverse of A. So this is the definition of the inverse of a matrix. So hope you have understood well. So you have to practice this one and you have to go through the textbook to understand it better. So thank you.